In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a WordPress website on a virtual private server, or VPS, using SSH. Whether you're launching a personal blog or a business site, you'll find these steps straightforward and essential to creating a solid foundation for your web presence. So let's get started. First, we'll SSH into your VPS. Make sure you have your server's IP address handy, along with the credentials provided when you set it up. You'll want to open your terminal application on Linux or Mac, or a utility like Putty if you're on Windows. Enter the command SSH, followed by your username, the @ symbol, and your server's IP address. Hit enter, and when prompted, enter your password. This connects you securely to your server, allowing you to manage it remotely. Successfully logging in means you're now ready to move on to the next step. With access to your server, it's time to install the LAMP stack. This stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Essentially, all the core components needed to run WordPress. Begin by updating your package manager's index using the command sudo apt update. Then install Apache with the command sudo apt install Apache 2. Once completed, you can check your server's IP in your web browser. If Apache is installed correctly, you should see the default Apache page. Next, install MySQL using sudo apt install MySQL server. This component will handle your database needs. Remember to secure your MySQL installation by running sudo MySQL secure installation. A system prompt will guide you through enhancing your MySQL security. Finally, we bring in PHP by typing sudo apt install php libapache 2 mod pp mysql. Apache now knows how to process PHP files, which is crucial for WordPress. Now let's download and install WordPress manually. Head over to the WordPress website to fetch the latest.tar.gz file. You can do this directly on your server with wget like so, wget https WordPress latest.tar.gz. With the file in place, extract it using tar xzvf latest.tar.gz. This creates a WordPress directory filled with all the necessary files. Your next move is to copy these files to your Apache server's document root directory, typically something like var www html. Ensure that Apache can read these files by adjusting the directory's permissions using the chmod and chown commands. Lastly, let's configure and run the setup. Open a browser and enter your server's IP address once more. This time, you should be greeted by the WordPress setup page. Create a new MySQL database and user as prompted. You can do this by returning to your terminal and accessing MySQL with mysql uroot.p, followed by commands to create the database and user as guided on the WordPress site. Inside the setup page, you'll enter this new database's name, along with its username and password. Complete the other fields and submit. WordPress will handle the rest. Once setup is complete, you can dive right into customizing your new website. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to getting WordPress up and running on a VPS. With this setup, you have the power of flexibility and control at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing the amazing sites you create.